Alright, let's go over these. Provide an example for each term and then sketch a graph. How would I define the relative minimum? You could say the lowest point in a section or area. For example, if you drew a graph, it looks something like this. Thank you, Julian. Actually, that would probably be a bad graph. Let's change it. Then I would say the relative minimum would be this one. What's a relative maximum? The highest point in a section of graph. So let's use colors. So relative minimum, kind of like that orange point. Relative max, it's not the highest point, right there. Remember, this graph keeps going up. That's why there could be another mountain or another low point further than this one. Those would be the word absolute. What is a cubic function? X to the third power plus 8. That is my example. Cubic function just means three-dimensional. This is an example of a cubic function graph. Alright, word multiplicity. We didn't really go over this, but I'll just define it. Repeated number of zeros. For example, if a function says f of x equals x plus 2, x minus 1, these have a power of 1. So in some ways, your multiplicity in some ways is this number. Because when you solve it, you set them equal to 0, subtract 2, x equals negative 2. So x is equal to negative 2 with a multiplicity of 1. And this one, x equals 1 with a multiplicity of 1. Just means it has it once. You can also do something crazy like x plus 4 squared. So here the multiplicity is 2. So when I solve that problem, x plus 4 equals 0. Subtract 4. You'll get x equals negative 4. But this one has a multiplicity of 2. The reason why is basically means instead of doing the same problem twice, you're only doing it once and kind of showing the quantity, right? If you have those awesome pair of shoes, I remember I bought a pair of shoes, a pair of Timberlands, I loved them. I wish I had bought like 5 pairs, right? That would have been quantity 5. But you don't say to people, oh, my favorite, how many pairs of shoes do you have? You don't say the same pair of Timberlands. Timberland XZs, Timberland XZs, Timberland XZs, Timberland XZs, Timberland XZs. No, you say my favorite pair of shoes were the Timberland XZs, but it had a multiplicity of 5. I had a quantity 5. So these are the vocabs we talked about in this section. Multiplicity is not important. The first 3 are more important.